How to create custom fields in Asana. So to start, we'll have to open our browser and then search for asana.com. After that, simply log into your account. Once logged in, go on the left part of the screen and then select the project where you want to create a custom field. So as an example, I'm going to select this HR reports, and then after that, we'll have to go on the top right corner of the screen and then tap on this customize option. After that, you will now see this fields option. Simply tap on this one. And then after that, tap on the add option. In here, tap on create new. And then after that, we can now start creating our custom field. So as an example, I'm gonna add a title here, HR yearly report. And then the field type would be single. After that, you can also add a detailed description. Once you're done with the selection, you'll have to create at least one option name. And then after that, you'll have to select here, add to my workspace or notify collaborators. As for me, I'm going to select this notify collaborators. So when there's any changes with this field, all the collaborators will be notified. Once you're done, simply tap on this create field option. And as you can see, the field is automatically added here. So that's how easy we can create a custom fields in Asana. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.